Welcome to our quick and easy mac and cheese recipe. Let's dive right in. We're diving into the world of mac and cheese. But not just any mac and cheese, mind you. We're talking about a 5-minute miracle that's super easy to make, budget-friendly and loved by kids. So roll up your sleeves, grab your wooden spoon and let's get cracking on this cheesy masterpiece that'll have you saying Gordon who in no time flat. Right then, troops, gather round and listen up. Before we charge into battle against bland food, we need to arm ourselves with the finest ingredients. Let's take stock of our ammunition, the essentials that will make our dish unforgettable. For this cheesy crusade, we'll need some proper good ingredients. Each one plays a crucial role in our culinary mission. First up, we've got our star player elbow macaroni. These little guys are the backbone of our dish, providing the perfect texture and bite. Next, we'll need some water, straight from the tap, none of that fancy bottled nonsense. This will help cook our pasta to perfection. And don't forget the butter. A good knob of the stuff will give our dish that rich, velvety texture we're after. It's the secret to a creamy sauce. We'll need a mountain of shredded cheese. Cheddar's your best bet, but feel free to mix it up with other cheeses like mozzarella or Gouda for extra flavour. And finally, a splash of milk to bring it all together. This will help create a smooth, luscious sauce that coats every piece of pasta. Remember, the key to a cracking mac and cheese is quality ingredients. Each one should be fresh and full of flavour. Now, with our ingredients assembled, it's time to move on to the next phase of our cheesy operations. Get ready to cook up a storm. All right, my culinary comrades, it's time to introduce our secret weapon, the Instant Pot. This little beauty is about to revolutionise your mac and cheese game. First things first, plug in your Instant Pot and give it a little pat for good luck. Now, dump in your macaroni. Next, add your water, just enough to cover the pasta. Then, drop in your butter. Close the lid of your Instant Pot and make sure the valve is set to sealing. Right then, we're locked and loaded. Our cheesy troops are in position and we're ready to bring the heat. Onwards to the next phase of our mac and cheese mission. Now, my dear cheese enthusiasts, it's time for the real magic to happen. Set your Instant Pot to high pressure for 4 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 4 minutes. While we wait, why not practice your victory dance? You'll need it soon enough. As the seconds tick by, you might hear some strange noises coming from your Instant Pot. Don't panic. Those are just the sounds of culinary magic happening. When the timer goes off, it'll sound like the trumpets of cheesy victory. Let the pressure release naturally for about a minute, then carefully do a quick release. And voila, the pressure's off and we're ready for the grand finale. Right, my cheese-loving chums, this is where the rubber meets the road. We're about to embark on a cheesy adventure that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Open up that Instant Pot lid and behold the steamy, dreamy sight before you. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Your macaroni should be perfectly cooked, looking plump and ready for its cheesy embrace. Each piece is a little vessel waiting to be filled with gooey goodness. Now it's time to add the star of the show, the cheese. This is where the magic happens. Chuck in your mountain of shredded cheese and watch it start to melt. The sight of cheese bubbling and melting is pure culinary poetry. Give it a good stir, making sure every piece of macaroni gets a cheesy coat. You want each bite to be a perfect blend of pasta and cheese. Next up, splash in a bit of milk. This will help create that creamy texture we all crave. Keep stirring until everything comes together in a creamy, dreamy symphony of flavour. The cheese and milk should meld into a luscious sauce. If it looks a bit too thick, add a splash more milk. You want it to be just the right consistency. Not too runny, not too thick. Now here's the most important step. Taste test. This is your chance to make sure it's perfect. Go on, grab a spoon and dive in. Savour that first bite and let the flavours dance on your tongue. Keep tasting and adjusting until it's just right. A pinch of salt here, a dash of pepper there. Make it your own masterpiece. Well, well, well. Look at what we've accomplished, you culinary geniuses. We've turned simple ingredients into a masterpiece. In just about 5 minutes, we've created a mac and cheese that would make even the pickiest eater weak at the knees. It's a testament to our teamwork and creativity. Scoop that golden goodness into bowls and watch as the cheese stretches like a gymnast doing the splits. It's a sight to behold, isn't it? Take a moment to admire your handiwork. This isn't just food, it's a labor of love. Breathe in that comforting aroma. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, inviting and irresistible. Now grab your fork or spoon, I won't judge, and dive in. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. That first bite, it's pure bliss, my friends. The creamy texture, the cheesy flavor, it's perfection. Now let's recap our adventure. We gathered our troops, prepared for battle, weathered the storm and came out stronger. We emerged victorious with a creamy, dreamy mac and cheese. Each step was a part of our culinary journey. With a bit of creativity and the right tools, you can whip up something truly special in no time at all. Cheers to that! Let's celebrate our delicious success. Thank you so much for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Bistegs TV, like, comment and share. Your support means the world to us. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to create something amazing. Have a fantastic day and keep cooking.